What's up, YouTube? Gary coming at you. It's been a while since I've done a video. This is my Packout body kit. It's what I take when building some race cars. As you see, nice little dead blow hammer. Various hammers doing body work. Glue gun, heat gun, slide hammer. Got the stud body for removing studs for the stud welder. Now, of course, I've got the gear wrench body set there. Alright, so box 2 that I take, it's a little empty at the moment. My welding stuff. My welding helmet's actually at the shop, but as you can see, welding stuff. Little grinder. I have my Milwaukee grinder at the shop. Got a couple little sanders that we use. They just ride in there. Hammer, things like that. Yeah, the garage is still a mess, so it is what it is. So next up on the list, we have the tire service, which, as you can see, valve stem puller by Steelman. Got that from JDT Co. Very nice. Used it once so far. Worked very well. Part number on that, just for reference, 79435. So, as you can see here, we got some valve stems. Yeah, just an assortment of things. Little Schrader tool. Schrader valves. Some air stuff. Just some basics. Over in the other Packout is all the brake stuff. Yeah. So, brake stuff. Brake flaring tool. Stuff for drum brakes. Cutting brake line. You name it. I got my brake compressor and stuff at the shop. So this is a nice little, kit that rides with us just in case we need to do some brakes, especially on a tow rig or anything like that. Next up, it's in a thin organizer. Mostly electrical stuff, connectors, but connectors, fuses. Most of my electrical things are at the shop, but these are the reserve supply. Never know when you're going to need these things, so always nice to have an assortment going around. So rounding out the traveling, aka setup, all the stuff I do for valves, heads, it's all in there. Burrs, compound lapping grease, lapper tools, things of that sort. Cam degree kit from Comp Cams, very nice. And some of the stuff that we end up taking occasionally. Some of my gauges. I got my dial bore gauge. magnetic arm, digital caliper, as you see, one of the gauges, various measuring tools. You know, this stuff helps with engine building greatly. So occasionally these come out. So with that, pretty much what I take. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and until next time, keep it on the track.